Hi boys and girls, welcome to Field Day 2020. I'm going to give you the instructions to paper plane cornhole. So what everybody needs, each team member is going to need 3 pieces of regular paper. You have to make airplanes out of it. Pretty easy, right? First you take the top, fold down corners, then fold it in half. And then I like to give it a little speed by folding each side down like this. You got an airplane, right? Watch this.
Let me see how it flies.
The object of the game is to take your 3 airplanes and score them into the bucket that's 6 feet away. We have our player Rosemary. Hey Rosemary. And Patricia. Hi Patricia. Okay, ready? Go. You have 1 minute. Whoa. Almost, Patricia. Nice job. Looks a lot harder than it is, right? Well, if they would have gotten the airplanes into the bucket, that would have been 1 point.
Like this.
Good job, guys. Yay!
Hi guys, so Mrs. Popper is here and we're ready to go Team Blue for virtual field day, and today we're going to be teaching you how to do the paper plane cornhole challenge. So I'm here with Benjamin, baby Lucas, and Abigail, and we each have our airplanes ready to go. So you guys just need paper airplanes and some sort of bin. So this is our garbage can, but you can use your laundry basket, you can use an empty box, whatever you have on hand. We have our trusty airplane. You guys actually need 3 airplanes. And for 1 minute, we're gonna keep trying to see how many times we can get the airplane in the basket. If I touch the rim, I get 1 point. If I get it inside, I get 4 points. All right, so timekeeper, start at 60, we're gonna count down. 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, woohoo! 47! It hit the rim, you get 1 point.
Hi, white team. Today we're going to be playing paper plane cornhole. So to play this game, what you need to make 3 paper planes. I made 3 different kinds of paper planes. Doesn't matter how you make it. I made little designs. You can draw on it. Have fun with it. And you're going to need a bucket. First, I'm going to try to throw my paper plane in the bucket. I want to be about 5 to 10 feet away. And when I do this and demonstrate it, I'm going to have a minute so that you can keep throwing it within that minute. If you throw your paper plane and it gets in the bucket, that's 2 points. If you throw your paper plane and it touches the bucket, it's 1 point. I have someone with my minute timer on, so you might want to have another person help you with this, okay? So, my timer is going to start for a minute, and I'm going to start throwing it. Ready? Go. Now the wind is going against me right now. Okay, that's 2 points. I still have time. I'm still going to keep going. Remember to keep 5 to 10 feet away. Okay, that's 1, so I have 2 and 1 point. All right, another 2 points. So far I have about 5 points. My minute is still keep going, so I'm gonna keep going. That plane just doesn't want to go in the bucket. All right, another 2 points. That one touched, that's another 3 points. Okay, so my timer finished and I counted up all of my points. So I had 8 points. I hope you have fun and go white team.